Continue to focus on the tragic train accident that happened early this morning that has claimed 9 lives and left over 40 others injured. The incident occurred at about 8:30 a.m. when Sialdah-bound Kanchenjunga Express was hit by a goods train in West Bengal's Jalpaiguri. The state disaster response team along with the local police are carrying out rescue operations. The railway board has blamed the driver of the goods train for disregarding a signal leading to the accident.
Rescue has been completed, restoration has started, and the unaffected portion of the train has moved onwards to Malda.
Ma'am, how long we can expect that the line will again, normal traffic will flow?
I think something will be given, at least one line we'll get by the evening.
Ma'am, regarding the coverage, whether coverage was there in that particular line or not?
No, coverage was not there on this particular line. Coverage is being installed. It's a work in progress, and this portion is also planned.
Ma'am, majorly what led to this incident, if you can tell us?
See, prima facie, at this point of time, I think from whatever we have gathered, it seems that it was a disregard of signal. So, but we will know only after inquiry. Right?
Ma'am, when will be the committee be formed to conduct this inquiry?
Immediately.
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद। एक दो जो है डेथ बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रोक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला सामने कंचना जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मर दिया उसको। अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके इसके ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेड हम लोगों को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है। अभी भी अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी जस्ट नाउ एक जन को रेस्क्यू करके गया।
Now, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav visited the accident site to take stock of the situation today. He has vowed a thorough probe into this incident.
दुर्घटना की जांच भी होगी, कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी के द्वारा दुर्घटना की जांच भी होगी, और अभी हमारा सारा फोकस है, रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट हुआ है, अभी रेस्टोरेशन पे पूरा फोकस है। ये मेन लाइन है और किसी भी तरीके से इस दुर्घटना के जो कारण है उस कारण पे भी पूरा ध्यान देके उस तरह के कारण फिर से कभी ना हो वो व्यवस्था की जाएगी।
A political slugfest has erupted over this incident, with the opposition demanding accountability of the railway minister.
Rail have become totally parentless. Only you can see railway at the time of inauguration. So many talking points and so many beautification of words, and just like it's a fashion. But they don't take care about the passenger amenity. I'm sorry, I worked as a railway worker, so I know the things. Even they are not taking care for the railway officials and the workers also. Totally with the railway employees and railway officials, they are trying their best. But this government, I think they should give more time for the governance, not for utterance.
मौजूदा जो 10 साल की नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार है, इसमें ये ट्रेन हादसों के लिए जानी जाएगी सरकार। आप इनके फर्स्ट टेनओवर में देखिए, सेकंड टेनओवर में देखिए, हर टेनओवर में बड़े रेलवे हादसे हुए हैं और बहुत जान माल का नुकसान हुआ है। इससे पूर्व उड़ीसा में जो घटना घटी थी वो कितनी बड़ी घटना थी जो सेकंड टेनओवर में हो। फर्स्ट वाले में तो इतनी घटनाएं घटी थी कि आप जब सो के उठते थे तब आपको पता चलता था कि देश के किसी राज्य में ट्रेन की दुर्घटना हो गई है। तीसरे टेनओवर में भी वही हुआ, यानी कि निश्चित तौर पे रेलवे का जो पूरा सिस्टम है सरकार चलाने में असफल है, और इसी वजह से आज इस तरह की घटनाएं देखने को मिल रही हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी उनमें हताहत लोगों के जान माल के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करती है और सरकार से मांग करती है कि वो जो मुआवजा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके उन परिवारों को और तमाम सारे तरीकों से बचाव करने के उन सबको मुआवजा देके उनको राहत दे।
Last 5 years, you've seen several accidents with innocents losing lives, and the general quality of trains and train services has really gone down. I think the government should have a serious look at how the railways are functioning under its watch. Those days are gone. The last 10 years you've seen that Mr. Narendra Modi or his cabinet do not take responsibility or accountability for anything that goes wrong under their watch. Railways is a glaring example of this total lack of sensitivity towards people and towards the consumers of railways.
You can't find fault with the railway minister. He is the most brilliant railway minister India had ever had in the last 70 years. You cannot ask him to resign, because if you ask him to resign, we will never be able to find such a great railway minister who excels in sending out videos in 4K, saying how Vande Bharat Express is the most beautiful express in the whole world. Then why do you ask his resignation? We should not ask for his resignation. He should keep continuing. These accidents are happening because the train drivers don't know how to drive the train. This will be the response of the BJP. In the last 10 years, if the BJP has completely destroyed one industry or one sector, that is the railways.
All right, my colleague Shreya is joining us from the accident site. Let me go across to her and understand the latest on-ground situation. Shreya, 9 killed, about 41 people injured is what we know. What's the latest that you're picking up there? Where have the relief and rescue operations reached? And what are the authorities saying on till when this will get over, all these relief and rescue operations?
Well, let me tell you, the rescue operation has been concluded, and at this point in time, it is the restoration walk which is going on, and you can see how, the team of the NDRF, the SDRF, the team of the Railway Authority, and also of the police is at the location and doing the restoration work. Now, what is really important, this, what you can see in your screen at this point in time, this is the engine of the goods train that has come with a high velocity and collided with the Kanchenjunga Express, the Agartala-Shialdah Kanchenjunga Express from the back, and have resulted in the accident. And you can see how the entire portion of this goods train have been destroyed. This is the engine. So of course, looking at the destruction that has happened to the engine of the goods train, it is very much it is very much understandable what was the velocity of the goods train with which it has come and hit Kanchenjunga Express from the back. Now let me also show you in my left. These are the compartments of the Kanchenjunga Express that is lying down. They have been removed from the track. Now these are the compartments that have been derailed at the time of the accident, and at this point in time they have been removed from the railway track. Now rescue operation has already been concluded. Now the most important thing is the restoration work and to make the railway line functional. This has happened in Darjeeling district, and of course we see politics also playing out. Now what is really heartbreaking is that while we move in the railway track, we see in the debris the personal belonging of many people is lying down on the floor. Somewhere we are seeing that it is the tiffin box of some of the passengers which is lying down in the floor, and we do not know if that passenger have survived or is in the North Bengal Medical College at this point in time. So of course we see not only that it is the debris which is lying here and there, but also personal belonging of these passengers are lying down at this point in time. So of course you can see that the restoration work is going on, and what we are picking up from the authority, it will take at least 3-4 hours more to complete the restoration work and to make this line functional.
Of course, Shreya, life is unpredictable, and as you said, there are personal belongings of people who, which are scattered there. Of course, lots of grief that has happened after this accident. But Shreya, also let me quickly ask you, any word from the authorities yet on the details of what exactly happened that time? Initially, we got the statement that the driver had disregarded the signal. Any more details on that the authorities have talked about?
So far, no. What we know is that the blame has gone to the driver of the goods train. It has been known that he has disregarded the signal, and in fact there was a signal, but somehow they came on the same railway line. Now this is a question: how come 2 trains come at the same track, and also the goods train comes and hits Kanchenjunga Express from the back? So of course the blame has gone to the driver of the goods train, but of course he has also died in this incident. So we do not have anybody to come and give the testimony as to to what really transpired. But of course, we see politics also plays out. For example, we see the Congress party and the TMC party says that why there was a failure in the signaling. Was it a failure on the part of the railways? These are the questions we have seen that has come to the forefront at this point in time.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.